A pair of the Beats Solo Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Samsung TV. You can just go to the home page, click on the home button in the remote. Once you're here, you can navigate to the 3 horizontal lines over here. So we're going to keep moving over. And then at the end now it changes. You can see the settings icon, the gear icon right there, settings. Okay on the remotes. From here we're going to go down one to sound. Okay on the remote. Sound output has currently come out of the TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of here. So let's go ahead and select sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Click on OK. And now it says searching right there. So searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these in pairing mode. How do you put these in pairing mode? Put the buds in, close the lid. Next, open the lid. And there's an invisible button here. You can kind of click it, okay? So you just want to press and hold. It doesn't matter what bud, okay? I'll do the right side here. It's a button right above the B. I'm going to press and hold. Now, do you hear that? When you hear that sound, that chime, it's in pairing mode, okay? So now it should find it, and it found the Beats Solo Buds right there at the very bottom. Needs pairing. Let's go down. Pair and connect. And we are connected. You can see it says connected right there. Now, if you got any issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.